you taking up?
What?
Of course.
What? Pass.
Computer. Computer science.
Puta, dalawang subject yan. Computer mo, science pa?
Computer science.
Really?
I took also comp-sci.
Computer science?
That's it. It's quite different.
Why?
Computer psychology.
Huh?
The study of computer behavior.
Meron bang ganon? Do you have a girlfriend, Tyson?
Yes.
Okay. She's Fred. Hindi siya Pilipino.
So you like big pussy.
Yeah. Para fair, no? Kasi,
Okay, you're half Filipino, half Brit, right?
Yes.
Which part of you is Filipino? The upper or the lower? Lower.
Lower.
So you have a little...
Oh my God! Dito na naisip!
So it's okay. Even though your penis is little, it's Filipino. Foreigners, very large, but it's soft.
Yeah, foreigners very big but very chewable.
Yeah.
Like this. Foreigners, big cock, but like...
Yeah.
But Filipino...
Filipinos, even very small. Very hard.
Very hard.
Yeah. You can even break the coconut.
Yes. And you make good over there.
But you're not a virgin anymore.
Have you tried,
Have you tried using your merchandise to others?
not yet? Oh my God, you're so pathetic.
Oh!
You haven't tried sex yet? No!
Oh, so you just masturbate.
Meron na siya. May experience na daw siya. But still, you masturbate. Of course, no? It's normal. What? Yeah, it's normal. Masturbating is normal, right? Right?
No, it's okay. Even though you have a girlfriend, you still do it. I know.
Yeah.
Because I saw you once in the internet. Yeah, you were masturbating.
No, it wasn't me. It was his dad.
I'm sorry. I'm mistaken. Oh, it's okay. If you want to masturbate, just call me, okay?
Yeah, you call us and we will help you.
Yeah, because there is a saying, two hands are better than one. Together we stand, divided we fall.
Ayun. Na? Ayun na talaga yan. Guwapo, no?
Thank you. You are very, very handsome. Yeah.
How about the daddy?
You are very, very old.
Wala.
Being old is not a bad thing.
Oh my God.
It means that you have accomplished, so many things in life.
Nasasaktan siya pag sinabi mo very old.
You are not very old. You are antique.
Oh, bakit nangyari tayo sa mga shops?
Being antique is something. It's a great thing.
Antik. Ganun ang antik.
Yeah. Thank you very much, Alan and
Jason.
for being for those
And now
calls.
you are gonna sing, okay?
And we hope that you have a great time. You have a great vacation. When are you going back to...
Hindi, kailan ba sila dumating?
Ikaw naman magtanong.
Ikaw naman, teka ako lang, hindi ka nasasalita? Ano mo, ano yung kung kailan sila dumating dito sa Pilipinas?
Oh. Sige na, puro ka. Tanongin mo.
Puro ka hindi ka kay Jason. Ano ka, ano? Kailan kayo dumating sa Pilipinas? Okay. Pass. Tanungin mo, kaya ka? Tanungin mo. Okay. Alan and Jason, okay? You take care. Have a nightmare. Tanungin mo I'm just kidding. I just want to ask, okay? You imagine my hands, airplane. UK, airplane. Philippines when? February 18. Oh, naintindihan nila. February 18. Kailan kayo babalik ng UK? Oh, same. Airplane. Philippines. UK when? niya. Sige na! Why Cebu? Okay. Yan. Hello. Okay. Have you been to the beautiful places here in the Philippines? Have you been to Boracay? Bohol. Okay. Have you been to Boracay?
No.
Oh, you should go there. I should say Boracay is one of the best places in the world. Really? Have you been to the beautiful beaches in Lapu-Lapu? Oh, you should go there. You've been here for 20 times but you've never been there. You should go there. There are lots of beautiful beaches there. Have you been to Hokera? No. Oh, we should go there to bring him there. There are lots of beautiful beaches there. Yeah. I know, then in all you can. Yes.
How much?
40 pesos with free iced tea. Huh? Okay. Oh, you're so expensive.
Her, 50 pesos only.
15 pesos
With disease.
with disease. But you know what? The best place to go to in the Philippines is Basilan. Have you heard of it? Basilan. You should go there. The people there are very friendly. Very nice. Once they like you, they won't let you go. Yeah? And they will keep your head for souvenir. Yeah? You know Janet Napoles? Oh, she is our national hero. Followed by Cedric Lee. Okay.
Have you been to Oslo?
Oslo?
Oh, you have to go there. You can see her there. Ano to, Bukandi? Makakaya.
Have you seen Penguin?
Penguin.
No. Have you been to Caleta?
No.
She's from there. Caleta Cemetery.
Thank you very much.
Nice talking to you guys. Thank you so much. Now you are gonna sing really, okay?
Also, yesterday.
Yesterday. Palakpakan niyo naman sila, friends.
Yesterday. Oh, my toes in your nothing in your need to stay. Oh, my sabihin now, Jason. Come on,
Alam mo na ano siya, kasi nga kinakain siya. Ano sabi?
you tell me.
Huwag ko siya kinahawakan, nadudumihan siya.
Wala, sabi ka naman, para mas natin si Wendell, dumi.
Madumi ka talaga.
Alam mo, walang gamot sa mga ganyan.
Boys! Boys!
Is there any song that you want to sing, Jason?
Ayan na naman siya. Oh, tingnan mo. Nakatingin yung lolo niya.
You know that, challenges? Okay, challenges na lang daw. Challenges. Hanapin mo kung may challenges. I love, I love men who has,
Goatee.
yeah, beard like this. It's so nice.
Why?
Yeah, it's, it's tickling,
Excuse me, can I ask you something? Where have you been? You are so dirty.
See?
Alam mo yung talaga,
You are so big.
Ano na? You are big.
Piglet.
Bakit? Hindi ako biga. Hindi ka maamoy. Hindi ka maamoy. Ano ka? Elephant. Okay, spell elephant. Yun lang? Spelling lang? Spell elephant. Alam mo yan? Oo. Alam mo yung spell? Oo. O, kaya akong tanda na wala nakakalam. Huwag kang elephant. Ako compute ka pero lang kung B o F. Meron ka changes? Okay. Nakakawag yung mga nakakala ko yung dati kong boyfriend kasi. Diyos ko, nagka-boyfriend ka na ng tsura? Oo, may mga ganyan din. Magkano? May mga ganyan. Ikaw magkano ka agad? Oo, nagka-boyfriend yung tsura dapat mas mahal nga eh. Palibasa kasi sinanay ni mga lalaki na binibigyan niyo ng pera.
Wow! Naman siya, hindi ka nagbibigay ng pera sa lalaki.
Hindi ako nagbibigay ng pera sa lalaki.
Okay, man.
Hindi ako nagbibigay ng pera.
Ano lang?
Sila yung kusang kumukuha sa wallet ko.
Magnanakaw yung boyfriend.
Oo, tama. Hindi magnanakaw yun. Respeto ang tawag doon.
Bakit yung respeto?
Siyempre po yan ako tulad ako. Ginsingin pa ba niya ako?
Yung Josela, kung magnanakaw talaga yung boyfriend mo, huwag kayong tumawag sa akin yan, nasa Manila. Yung sabi niya, friend, nawawala yung ref ko, yung TV, yung microwave, yung... Eh, ang huli kasama niya, boyfriend niya.
Mahirap magbintang. Baka na-misplace ko lang.
Ang ina mo, ref, na misplace.
Ang laki mo para ma-miss dan.
Alala ko kasi, yung boyfriend ko kasi may bigote din yun, ang kapal.
Okay. Tapos?
Eh, isa pag nag-jerjer kami, para yung ilaw.
Tapos?
Nararamdaman ko yung bigote niya sa tuhod ko, nakikiliti ako.
Oo.
Paket ng paket yun.
Oo.
Pagdating sa ito, nakikiliti ako, pagbukas ko ng ilaw, takina, ipis pa lang. Pareho kasi ng sensation eh.
Pakipag-sex sa ukok lang.
Wow, siya mo.
Yeah, you're so handsome.
Pass!
Pas ka naman.
Do you believe in love at first sight? So at least now you understand what, you understand what I am, feeling right now. I'm sorry, Dad. I'm sorry, Dad. Are you okay? Are you okay with me being your son's girlfriend? Oh,
Bakit inaano mo agad yung sarili mo, Dad? Para sa
Nagpaka-impress siya.
Oo,
Yes, Jensen, excuse me. Okay, pass again.
For example, you don't have a girlfriend, okay? And you have to choose among the three of us. Who will you choose? Why me?
Uy, ikaw ka agad?
Joke lang, baka sakali lang naman. Pwede.
O ba't hindi tayo mag-contest?
Anong contest?
Yung mga favorite niya, gano'n.
Sige. Favorite?
Oo, favorite color.
Favorite color?
Ano ka?
Blue.
Hanggang tatlo lang, ha?
Blue.
Your favorite color, okay? So we are gonna guess what's your favorite, and then we will say something like me, blue, then okay, then
So on and so forth.
yes.
Ay,
Okay.
excuse me, hanggang tatlo lang. Hanggang tatlo lang.
Bawal ang tayo.
Nung pilihan na, nagkakyan na lang po tayo.
Nag-akyatan ng mga termites.
Wala na pilihan.
Dahil cancel na.
Kakanta na sila.
Hindi, wait na lang. Okay, Jaisa, I'm sorry for taking you so long here on stage, but you know, we're just having fun. You know that, okay? So, if ever, if given a chance to choose among the five of us, why? Okay, let's say that this is just for fun. Use your imagination. Let's say that actually in England, is it gay marriage is allowed in your country?
In UK, it is.
Right? Okay, if given a chance to marry one from the five of us, who will you choose?
Timer starts now. No, nothing says you will marry your father.
No!
Si Wendell pinili. Okay, yung why? She's not beautiful. Look at her. He doesn't have it. Boys. Yan ang mga yung boys eh. She's ugly. She looks like Silver Jingo Estrada. Pastor siya.
You know what, Karen?
What?
You have to believe that beauty is in the eye of the beholder.
And beauty.
Beauty is not from outside. The real essence of beauty is, comes from inside.
Don't
See,
go
you
out.
are beautiful outside, but you are showing him the real you.
Yeah, that's okay.
Yeah, you are so
At least I am being truthful.
You are so bitch. You are so
Boy, stop it! Stop it! What do you want to say?
Beauty is in the eye of the beholder. Akala ko beauty is in the eye of
The tiger. English.
ano ko na lang, hindi ka ko.
Ano na pala ako? Or you choose Wendell,
You
right?
chose.
You chose Wendell. You chose Wendell. Okay, pass! You know, Wendell died already, so no more. He died. Okay, for example, he died. Okay,
Pakipili ka sa akin, patay na.
oh, ano naman ako pinakatay na? So, hindi ko naman sabi dahil naiwan na tayong apat.
Hindi.
Ano?
Hindi.
Naiwan na namatay siya, tapos naiwan tayong apat. Ganyan.
Nakakitinisip siya ng pagsantayin natin. Halika, ikaw mag-translate.
Okay. Namatay si Wendell. Tapos tayo na lang apat na tira. Sino pipiliin niya?
Wendell is dead. So, who will choose among the parentheses?
Yung lola ko, kasi mo yung lola ko, ha? Nakasabihin ako yung lola ko. Jason, you understand what I'm trying to say? Okay, so Wendell died, so who's next? You will choose, and there's one kangaroo. Okay? One kangaroo. You will choose again 5. Okay, pass. Who will you choose? Oh, who will you choose? Come on, answer. Oh my God, what the fuck? Oh, yeah. Why? I'm the kangaroo. I thought you said you can.
Okay, Karen. Sorry, alam mo, hindi naman kailangan maging maganda ka para mahalin ka ng isang tao.
Bakit? Dahil hindi ka makaano, ah.
Hindi yun ang labanan.
Bakit? Pinapalitan mo ba ako? Hoy! Huwag kang palabiro. Hindi mo ko paparinggan.
Hindi kita inaano, kayo nag-aaway. Pinapakyahan na kita di ba?
Pagpangit talaga, ano? Pagpangit kinaapin nyo.
Hindi ka pangit. Hindi ka pangit.
Ano?
Masakit lang sa mata.
Ano to, tear gas?
Pero hindi ka pangit. Tandaan mo, walang ginawang pangit si Lord.
True.
Lahat ng ginawa niya maganda. Yun lang, bakit hindi siya gumawa sa'yo? Kasi nung ikapitong araw, nagpahinga si Lord. Baka may nakialam ng mga gawin niya.
Alam ko na lang yung mga pamangkin ko. Bakit nila sa school? Eh, ito nga ako kami dito eh.
Tapos ikaw ang finish product.
Alam mo sino gumawa sa'yo?
Sino?
Julius Deja.
Hindi. Gusto mo malaman talaga kung sino gumawa sa'yo.
Sino?
Ano ba madalas mong gawin?
Blowjob.
Oh, palintanin mo lang yun, ginugumawa sa'yo.
Jablo.
Gusto mo siya makilala?
Andito na siya.
Ikaw din yun. Ako yung Diablo. Ayun, yung Diablo, wala kang kilay. Alam mo kayo, masyadong ano kayo may chok na. Bakit? Masyado yung nilalait yung tao. Oo. Swerte nga yan, inilabas pa yan ng nanay niya. Bakit? Bakit? Pinanganak yan sa bahay lang. Ew! Mahirap kayo! Sa akin, mas pinanganak ko. nagpaanak sa nanay na kumadrona.
Sa ating hospital, nagpo-post pa na ako.
Oo, kami na kasi mga programa.
Ano ba lang lang? Anong oras pwede pumasok sa ospital? Sabihin mo na kasi talaga wala kayong pang ospital.
Nel, anak, hello, I'm not poverty.
Anong poverty?
Mahirap. Tama ko! Tama, di ba tayo? Kahit gano'n.
Tapos, pinanganak, kumadrona. Sabi ng kumadrona, Mrs. Ire. Sabi gano'n. Umire, lumabas yung ulo ni Choco. Ano sabi? Sabi ng kumadrona, Ma'am, sure ka?
Ano sabi ng nanay niya?
Sige, iinom mo yan. Anak ko yan. Sabi ni Ire. Sabi niya gano'n. Sabi ng kumadrona, Madam, sure ka talaga? Sabi gano'n. Sabi ng nanay, huwag ka naman ganyan. Anak ko yan. Sabi gano'n. Patingin nga. Binigay mo kumadrona sa nanay. Sabi ng nanay, hindi magandang biro ito. Ano ba yan? Tapos tatay, dumating yung tatay kasi nalaman ng anak na. Humihingal, nanganak ka na pala. Sabi nun, oo, ito yung anak natin. Sabi ng tatay, patingin nga. Sabi nun, mahal, ito ang kayamanan natin. Sabi ng tatay, talaga? Ano na yung baon natin?
Sabi ng tatay ko, siyang na buwan, ito lang. Wala kayo kay chat. Sa ospital pinanganak. Sosyal. Nung lumabas na ang ulo. Nakita ng nanay. Sabi niya, pwede mo bang i-abort niya? Hello, nakita ka kasi. Sabi niya, ay! Diyan ka na magtibo. Kaya kayo ang naniniwala, hindi lahat ng abortion successful. Meron mga nagtagumpay. Kami yun.
Uy, kasi nakakarinig sa atin.
We're talking about
Sige, one more song. Changes.
changes.
Ano pa kami naman silang dalawa? Alan and Jason.